Okay, it's the 30th of April, another warm day for most of Pennsylvania. This is this afternoon. Things are beginning to cool down because there's some showers and some thunderstorms crossing the state, and it's going to push some of these warm temperatures down as we get into the evening hours. Right now, this is around 4 in the afternoon, and the simulated radar kind of shows here's your thunderstorms like here and some heavier showers mixed in. So it's kind of cross here, and that's why when you look back at the temperature map, you can see that's just about where the warm temperatures are at, where the rain hasn't reached yet. Rain will continue to move across the state into the evening. It's actually going from south west to northeast, but it's moving to the east at the same time. And so these thunderstorms, they move like I said, southwest to northeast as the line drops down. Now, here is interesting. This is around 5, 6 o'clock. Pretty strong thunderstorm going through the Poconos here, came up towards Scranton and up this way. And that's a pretty good storm if that is the radar, simulated radar holds up. And that moves across and it'll move into Jersey as we get towards the 7, 8 o'clock hour. Still chances of thunderstorms back here out this way, technically out towards, this is just north of Lebanon here. But the thunderstorms are just about to get into the suburbs of Philadelphia and Trenton at that point in time. Temperatures tonight will drop off with this cooler air coming in from the rains. Nothing crazy, but enough to cool down, maybe open a window for some of you. Here's 40s out in the northwestern part of the state, but the southeast just doesn't get enough of that cold air in, and its temperatures stay in the lower 60s. But still, open the windows. It's not too bad. In Jersey here, you're 50s to around 60 degrees for the most part, and then down here towards Delaware, you're in the lower 60s down that way. And then as we get into the daytime hours tomorrow, you'll see it warms up, but it doesn't go into the 80s. It gets into the 70s for the most part across the state, except for the northeastern part of the state where the temperatures basically stay in the mid 60s. Same thing for northern New Jersey, and then the winds are blowing off the shore here, keeps the temperatures down along the shoreline here. So, and that everybody knows when you go down there, that's pretty much the way it works all the time. As we move into Wednesday night, you can see Wednesday night into Thursday morning, your lows. Um, Now you're down in the 50s in Jersey, low 50s and mid 50s in southeastern New Jersey. It's a little warmer in the central part of the state, and then chilly up here towards Erie and out that way north of Pittsburgh. Temperatures could drop into the 40s. So if we look ahead to Friday morning, you can see temperatures across the state, lower 50s to even mid 40s to the north here. So kind of chilly. Jersey, you're in the 40s to the north and lower 50s, mid 50s to the south. You can see it's kind of a chilly, but we got to speed this up a little bit. Let's take this out to Sunday. Let's see here. Oh, here's Sunday morning. Okay, that's what I want to show you. Widespread mid 40s, even down here in the southeastern and even into New Jersey. Temperatures get into the 40s. I don't think it's a major frost, but there is a chance for frost in some of these areas in the northeast and north central on Sunday morning. And then as we move this out to earlier in the week, which would be Monday morning, you can see we gone too far, too fast. Okay, Monday morning. Let's get to Monday morning. Again, temperatures a little bit warmer. Temperatures around 50 for the most part, mid 50s for everybody. And then as we get into Tuesday morning. Let's see here. We can do this slow. You can see temperatures warming up a little bit. 60, lower 60s to the south and 50s to the north. I kind of thought we were going to get some frost next week, but the models are not showing it anymore, and it looks like we're going to get more of a southerly flow. This is Wednesday afternoon, and you can see here's 90s down here if you look real close, and just south of Pennsylvania. And then as we get into Thursday, you can see it tries to warm up on the I-95 corridor to around 80 or so. But an average summer week, or spring week coming up next week, and I don't think it's that bad. But that frost I was worried about may not happen. Let's just move this out a little bit further here. Yeah, this is Friday morning. Here's Saturday morning. Yeah, there's not going to be any frost next week the way it looks right now, except like I said, a couple of areas maybe over the weekend at higher elevations or some of those deep valleys in the mountainous areas maybe get a little frost, but I don't think it's anything bad. We're not going below freezing. All right, you take it easy. This is Fred, and talk to you tomorrow.